What are wet and dry kitchens? In this video, we will learn about wet and dry kitchens and check whether it is sensible to split the kitchen into a wet and dry zone. Of late, one of the emerging trends in the kitchen design of spacious homes is to have separate wet and dry modular kitchens. These kitchens are separated into two sections, where one section is used for light cooking while the other section is used for heavy-duty cooking and is located within a confined space. So, what is a wet kitchen? The wet kitchen is a highly functional kitchen that is used for cooking full meals, and it involves a lot of boiling and frying along with the release of smoke and heat. These kitchens are used for storing groceries, cutlery, and utensils. A wet kitchen has tiled walls, a kitchen chimney, an exhaust fan, a dishwasher, natural ventilation through windows, and deep sinks for cleaning dirty utensils and vegetables. Additionally, the wet kitchen is enclosed with a hinged or sliding door in materials such as glass or plywood, which separates it from rest of the home. Pros: the advantage of a wet kitchen is that it is within a confined space and is not visible from the formal areas of the home, so the smoke and fumes do not enter the other areas of the home. The kitchen chimney extracts the foul odors from the kitchen. However, the disadvantage of a wet kitchen is that it forms one of the moisture-laden areas of the home and may result in the growth of mold and mildew. These kitchens may look untidy and messy due to activities that include cooking and chopping vegetables. It has dirty utensils which needs to be washed periodically. Wet kitchens produce a lot of grime which tends to stick on the walls and the kitchen cabinets. Hence, a wet kitchen requires a lot of effort for cleaning and maintenance, and it cannot be air conditioned. What is a dry kitchen? The dry kitchen is designed as an extended part of the living or dining room and matches with the decor. It comprises of a small kitchen countertop with a shallow sink for basic hand washing and knife cleaning. There may also be provision for a microwave, a blender, and a toaster. The dry kitchen is a smoke-free kitchen and is only used for light and simple meal preparation, which includes breakfast, easy snacks, baking, making sandwiches, or cutting fruits. The biggest advantage of a dry kitchen is that it is a comfortable space because it is air conditioned and forms an interactive part of the living and dining area. Its decor matches with the decor of the living and dining space. The dry kitchen can also function as a bar counter and a breakfast counter with provision for bar stools and chairs. The dry kitchen needs less cleaning up in comparison to a wet kitchen, and so it is easier to maintain. One of the disadvantages of the dry kitchen is that it is much smaller than a wet kitchen. Note that it is always better to have the wet and dry kitchens close to each other so that there is easy movement between these two areas. Always remember, the wet and dry kitchen are parallel kitchens that share some common appliances such as the refrigerator, microwave, blender, and cutlery on a day-to-day basis.